Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change location on Snapchat Maps, and here's how it's done. Download Fake GPS. Open the Play Store and search for an app called Fake GPS. Enable developer settings. Go to your settings app, select developer options. If not visible, enable developer mode by tapping build number several times in the About Phone section. In developer options, enable mock location and set it to Fake GPS. Select your new location. Open the Fake GPS app. Pick any location you want and tap the play button to activate it. Refresh Snapchat. Close and reopen Snapchat. Then refresh the map. Your location should now show the spot chosen in Fake GPS. And that is everything you need to know about how to change location on Snapchat Maps. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.